Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to talk about a well-known platform, that is Stackblitz, which provide online VS Code service. It is totally free and you can use it for free, and you can access VS Code on any device, even on your phone or laptop. No need to a specific requirements, just you have to create an account with the GitHub and you are good to go. I mean, you are ready to access this service on your phone, on your laptop. So let's start it. So open your browser and search for stackblitz.com, and here you can also try a project. I mean, here you can try a framework. I'm going to try a React, and after clicking on this you will be redirected here, and here all setup automatically started, and in a few minutes it will be done and you can add it to your code here and you can see that. But I think before creating your account it is not worth it. I think it will not save if editing anything here, so it will not save. I think that. So first let's create an account. Go on home page again, I mean stackbit.com, and here is one option, that is sign in with GitHub. I mean create account with GitHub. So go on GitHub and create an account. I have already, so I'm proceeding it. In a few seconds you will be redirected here, and your account will be created in some steps. After creating you will land on this page, and this is the dashboard of stackbit.com. over here I'm seeing my React starter which I created already, which I tried here 6 minutes ago. You can see this one. So I was saying that will not save, but it has been saved. So this is really amazing thing. So leave it and create new project here. You can select any framework. I'm just selecting Next.js and just click on create. After this you will be redirect on VS Code, and here is the project files, and here is a preview, and here is the edit section. Here you can see booting web containers and installing dependencies and running a start command. It is in process, so wait for a minute. So once done you can edit. Here I do some changes in page.tsx, so you can see here immediately preview. By the way, I want to say you this link is deployed. You can share this with your friends and they can see live preview or your website. Whatever you are changing, that reflect. Now I want to share with you a new trick, new feature of this one. So just go here and you can see create a repository. So just click on that and authorize your GitHub account. And after authorizing click again and give a name, and I want to make it private, and just click on create. In just a second you will be redirected in new tab, and here is starting a new IDE, and this is the exciting part. Here all thing is same, but you can see here extension section code. This is a pure VS Code, and you can get all access of VS Code here. Here you can see many terminals, problems, and many things you can see here, and you can use it like a VS Code, Pro VS Code and OV online. And also whatever you are changing here, that will save on GitHub. I mean if you are changing something and you push that on your GitHub, so everything is saved on your GitHub, and next time you can see that code on your GitHub also. So this is that I want to show you, and the very interesting thing of this is you can install extensions and you will get many terminals, and you will get immediately preview of whatever you are changing. So thank you. This is all about this video. Hope you understand everything. If any problem, so comment below, I will reply that. And enjoy your coding journey with your phone or lab. And in last I want to say you, whatever you are changing, make sure you push on your GitHub. If you are not pushing that, so nothing will be changed. This is a temporary change. If you are pushing on a GitHub, so everything will be permanent, and this is important notice. So thanks for watching.